I support all kinds of programming activities and deliverables such as DSMB, APR, presentation, abstract, and CSR in the past year 2020. As you may notice that I'm going backwards as I speak, which is totally fine for inline skating. However, if your blood flows backwards from the left ventricle into the left atrium in your heart, that causes mitral regurgitation, which is not good. So Pascal system for transcatheter mitral valve repair will fix that by making your blood flow into the right direction in your heart. So let's go forward then.